Hello there and welcome back to PowerPoint Training Online. In today's video, you may already hear this, it's music in the background. What I want to show you today is how you can play music in the background while you're going through your presentation. It is something that's really simple and straightforward to do. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete this sound which I added in. And I'll walk you through adding a new sound in. Now, it's important to note that if you want playing through the whole slide deck, you want it to be on the very first slide. If you want the background sound to start when on the second slide, then make sure you put it on the second slide. For this purpose, when I start my presentation, I want the sound to start straight away. So, I am going to go to the Insert tab. I'm then going to go to Audio and Audio on my PC. I'm then going to go to the file that I want to select, and I've got one pre-downloaded. I'm just going to insert that. And there it is there. Before I go any further, I do just want to say is that I got this sound from bensounds.com, who offers royalty-free music for you to use, which is epic. There is really loads of different types of songs, sounds, and it covers loads of different genres as well. They do free ones, and you've also got paid one as well, so you can see it will be there somewhere. It's just really good. So just make sure, if you are using Ben Sounds, make sure you mention that you've used some stuff like that. All is explained within the licensing. You do have obviously the subscription module, so you can sign up for them and stuff like that. So yeah, just want to point out, I was using Ben Sounds to get that sound. Ben Sounds is awesome. So shout out there to Ben Sounds. So when I have my sound here now, so you can see in the top right hand corner, I just moved my little sound icon up, and I want to go to the playback button. So across the top, playback, and you have the option under audio styles to play in background. Now you'll notice when I flick from no style to play in background, all of these settings over here changes, so it does it automatically for you. So no style, nothing's ticked there, and also it says in click sequence. If I press play in background, it then says hide during show, automatically play across those slides, and then loop until stopped. And now all I need to do is start my presentation. It's presenting. Once I get to the very last slide and goes to the blacks page, it stops. And that is that, folks. That's how you add background music into your presentation. Thank you for joining us today for another Bite-Sized Monday. If you liked this video today or found it useful in any way, please hit that like button. And while you're there, hit subscribe. You can do that below or in the top corner up here. And if you want to learn more about PowerPoint, why not check out another video? Until next time, guys, goodbye.